I'll be going on an overnight, and these are the things na dadalhin ko. This is my bag, my Hawk bag. It's been with me for a couple of years. And maganda kasi waterproof. So, kahit umulan, safe yung gamit sa loob. And the best part is may pocket siya dito where I can put my phone in case na umulan. Yeah, so these are the things na dadalhin ko. I have my sleepwear. It's a top and a bottom. I have pair na pang-aura. These are my undies. And ito yung outfit ko pa uwi. I have this foldable bag na pag nakalagay siya is isa siyang teddy bear. Yes, so yeah, parang eco bag rin. And I have my earpads. I don't wear or I don't use my long wallet kasi mahaba. So, nagko-consume ng space. So, I have this for my cards and this for my money. Yan, dalawa. And I always do that. I always separate my money and my cards. Kaso, mawala. Hindi mawawala lahat. So, I also have this nipple cover kasi minsan tinatamad ako magsuot ng bra. I have my cologne, which is the Louboutin Pearl. I have this from Whimsy Wonder oil-based perfume na nilalagay ko sa hair ko. I have my tawas. And of course, Monea para sa hair. This one is the bag for the chargers and power bank. So, ganyan talaga siya. And my cord, Type-C cord. This one is for the toiletries. I have my napkin, ear, shampoo, body oil, and soap. And this one, this pouch is like an emergency kit. Nandito yung mga medicine, dito yung rosary ko, dito yung, I'll let you see what's inside. Yan, may plastic. Just in case susuka, pero hindi susuko, charot. And then, I have this one. So, it's so cute. Dito ko nilalagay lahat ng mga jewelries na, of course, hindi kasya yung mga bracelets. But, this is like this. So, ayan. So, yan yung rings. May rings na, may earrings, and then, necklaces. Yan. So, pretty much everything for an overnight. And, my bag. May isa pang bag. Just in case. Yan. That's it. Bye!